para, pure, pa, pa. Lie, lie, da-da-dup, da-da-dup, up. And from here, it's this one, whack. It's the arm going back. The arm okay, move forward, because you're going to be in the same space. Jump away from this toe. Right arm. Arm down. Over there. Left arm. Once more. Whoosh. Right arm. Okay. Okay. So you did the Sissone. This is a fermée, right? It's closing. So your arm like this. So you just think about this. You have to change. You're facing this corner. You have to go to that corner. Your shoulders have to go to that corner. Your shoulders have to go. And then if they go, then this arm's going to follow.